say that you have a pivot table that contains a list of furniture items and the quantity sold. And you have the same pivot table for multiple different states, as you can see from the drop-down filter. Now, if you want to insert a pivot table report for every single one of these states, you could manually select them in the filter and then copy the table and then paste it in a new sheet and then repeat the process over and over again for every single state. However, this can take a lot of time. So instead, you can simply select all for your filter, then go to the Pivot Table Analyze tab, and then click on the Options dropdown, then select Show Report Filter Pages. Once you do that, leave this on States and then click on OK. Once you do that, you automatically get a pivot table report for every single one of your states. And each one will get its own sheet. That's it!